Hello friends, Santosh this side. Welcome to Office Platforms. Today we will learn about the Vstack function. This function helps us to stack the data, or you can say to consolidate the data which is spread across different sheets of the workbook. For example, we have a similar structured data with 5 columns, okay, in 3 different data sets. If we have to consolidate this, we have two options. One, we can copy the headers from here, paste it, and do a vstack at vstack and select the data range of dataset 1 followed by a comma, and then a dataset of 2 followed by a comma, and dataset 3 and close. See, the data has got consolidated. Another alternate way is to create named ranges, or we can create the tables. So if we create tables, control T, and my data has address yes, okay. I will change this one dataset 2 also, control T, okay, and dataset 3, control T, okay. Let us give the names of each dataset of the tables. Table design, table 1, enter, table 2, enter, table 3, enter. Let me copy the headers, paste it over here, and then write vstack table 1 followed by comma, table 2 followed by comma, table 3 followed by comma, and close up, enter. This is how the data can be consolidated from all the data sets which is spread across all the sheets in a workbook. Thank you.